Don't judge by the size or the background. Just wait till you taste this. Love. It may not look fancy, but the taste, that's where the magic is. Fire! Forget the looks. This is all about flavor and goodness. Simple on the outside, unforgettable on the inside. Shy. No fancy setup, just rare taste and rare. It's not goodness. About how it looks, it's about how it tastes and how good it makes you feel. Simple, rare, and delicious, because taste and health always come first. Fresh yogurt. Bedianawalkerdoings, Bedianawalkerdoings, Nasenda sema sebia mandos tambili and the heart. Bedianawalkerdoings. Puff puff. I have my cheese, my milk powder, a pinch of salt. I'm adding half cup of water. Let's mix them. I'm making cheese puff puff, yeah. One egg. I'm mixing them together. Adding my melted butter. You can also use oil, any choice of oil. Yeah, you can also choose not to add any oil. If you want it so rich, you can add butter. Yeah, me, I want it so rich. Yeah, so I added butter. An egg is optional, not by force. Yeah, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Some people don't add sugar. Yeah, sometimes I don't add sugar because I eat with honey. Yeah. I'm adding vanilla essence. I'm adding vinegar because of the egg I added. Yeah. I'm adding my flour. See what I'm doing. Watch full video so that you will understand. Added flour now. This is corn flour. 2 teaspoons of corn flour. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Every day my puff puff, I change the method. Yeah, this is a new method. No, it's not even a new method. I used to do it every day. So you see, I did not start with the yeast first. Yeah. So this is my dough now. You can use your hand to beat it. But me, I feel like using a spoon to beat it. Every day I have different style. So I'm adding black seed. You try this, the way it's so tasty. Cheese puff puff. Okay, so this is our cheese puff puff. I will let it relax and proof for 1 hour before I fry it. Now into the oil. Let them fry slowly till golden, soft and perfect. So this is how I cut my puff puff. You can also use your hand to cut them, to shape it. Yeah, but me, I prefer using my hand to cut it so that I can get a nice texture and fluffy. Hallelujah, we give you praises. Hallelujah, we praise your name. Hallelujah, we give you mercy. Hallelujah, we praise your name. Look at the color, golden, fluffy, and smelling so good already. Turn them gently. You want that even beautiful golden finish, and just like that, perfectly fried, soft on the inside, golden on the outside. Now take them out, let them rest just a little, and now ready to serve. Simple, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Golden outside, melt in your mouth, inside already. And there you have it. Pure goodness in every bite. You see how it's inside the oil doing the doings. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. It's not about the size or the background. It's all about the taste and how good it is for you. Forget the size, forget the background. What really matters is the taste and the goodness inside. So looks don't matter here. The real magic is in the taste and the health. It's not about how it looks. It's about how it tastes and how good it makes you feel. You see the color? You see? So I'm topping the top with honey. Yeah, this is honey I'm spreading on top. You can also choose to add chocolate, sugar powder, anything that you would love to eat with it. You are free. Yeah, you can also eat raw without adding anything, but I decided to add honey. Yeah, keep it simple, keep it rare. Good things come from simple effort. Start small, taste big. Believe in your hands. You can create magic. Every great dish starts with trying. Do it with love and it will always taste better. Small steps, big flavor. Keep cooking, keep growing. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Please, if you are still watching, thank you so much and God bless you. Like and subscribe for me. Do not